In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload balance history using a CSV file in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Uploading balance history helps you backfill past data, so your net worth timeline looks more complete and accurate over time. Before uploading, make sure your CSV file is properly formatted. It should include columns for date and balance, with one account per file. Also, make sure the account name matches exactly with your account in Monarch Money to avoid errors. To upload, go to the Accounts page and select the account you want to update. If you're adding a new one, click Add Account first. Then click Import Transaction and Balance History and choose Import Balances. Upload your CSV file. Review the preview to make sure everything is mapped correctly. Then confirm the import. Monarch will automatically fill in any gaps and flag duplicate entries if needed. Once done, go back to your account page to verify that your balance history has been updated correctly. You can always re-upload the file if you need to fix anything. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.